I thank you all the participants for actively participating in our FTP. The attendance and assignment mark will be uploaded in the Atal portal tomorrow. So check the portal for your attendance and marks tomorrow onwards. We cannot master in a week, so the FTP all sessions recording are uploaded in YouTube. If you need, you can go through it. I think from this workshop you have learned some knowledge about the deep learning for the computer vision. Yes. Kindly let me know your feedback to make improvements in the forthcoming FTP. Please, all the participants. So unmute your mic. You give some feedbacks about our FTP to improve in forthcoming FTP also, right? Participants, kindly give your valuable feedback. Yes, sir. Dr. Mani, sir. Actually, I will allow to the mic also, right? So you unmute your mic. Kindly give some feedback about FTP. Hello, sir. Can I audible?
Yes, you are, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, Mani,
Yeah.
sir.
This is
Yes.
Yeah, this is Professor
I
Mohammed
think
Ahmed, Department of
if you
Electronics.
are interested, you switch on your video also if you interested, right? Or
Yes,
otherwise,
sir, sir.
yes, I allow to the video and mic option also. Both option I will allow to all, right?
Sir, good afternoon,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is Dr. Mani from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, sir. For last 5 days, we have learned the importance of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics, especially convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, multi-layer perceptron, and then fundamental code which will be used for Colab, and then AMBI, and then how to solve the problems with help of, when compared to other problems, other softwares, how your Colab is user and interactive, automatically it will code. Those kind of things also we are learn. It is need of the hour because the day by day we are getting millions of data. So we want to extract some information. The data mining or deep learning is need of the hour, sir. So I congratulate the Panimalar Engineering College for giving this opportunity to undergo 1 week FTP, sir. It is my pleasure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Your valuable suggestions. Professor Mohammed,
Very good
sir.
afternoon, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
very good afternoon, everybody. And this is Professor Mohammed Ahmed, Department of Electronics and Communication, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. And I joined this FDP with very high hopes, and definitely it kind of proved to be a very, very good experience for the entire 5 days. The best part about that was okay, the hands-on sessions were actually hands-on. So we were kind of doing everything which was hands-on, because in this online mode we are so constrained in the sense that we are kind of not getting a feel of the hands-on FDPs, Atal FDPs, which we kind of used to participate in. But this FTP for a change actually made it possible. We did lots of hands-on session on the NumPy, the collabs, and everything was kind of hands-on, and the assignments to follow that were also on program. So we were doing lots of stuff which was actually not just theoretical, but lots of hands-on sessions, which actually should be the case when it comes to faculty development programs. Even the first session which I attended, that IIT Madras session, was a wonderful session in the sense that it was such a wonderful introductory session where the speaker started off from kind of the formulas of light, and then went on to correlate it with computer graphics and computer vision and everything. So it was wonderful. So overall it has been a great experience, and I look forward to attending more sessions from your end in the future as well. Thank you so much, sir. One more thing, the coordinator Dambed sir has been very prompt. He has been constantly interacting with us on the group as well. So the special thanks to him as well for all the cooperation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Your valuable suggestions. So, any other Professors, tell about some feedback about the FTP.
This is Brijesh.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
I video also.
Yes, your wish, sir. I will allow to both video and mic.
Hello, this is
Yes, sir.
Brijesh, and this was really I'm from industry. Basically, I'm running a small software company, Nordic Soft, and this is very good for me from the industry perspective. So at least I can start now looking after the projects in the market for in deep learning, especially. And this has created me a lot of awareness how the system working, how the codes are easy, and its hands-on was super good because it really gave me some confidence to do start my own something into this projects. And I'm looking a lot of products to make in based on artificial intelligence and deep learning. So it is really good for me as a from the industry perspective, where I can have a new revenues from different stream of knowledge, especially into the deep learning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Your valuable comments. So, participants. So, if any feedback, so then only I will improve in forthcoming FTP, please. Participants, any feedback about FTP? I expecting from more from your side. Anybody interested?
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Welcome, ma'am.
Sir, this is Manjula from SRM Institute and Technology. Sir, about this session, last 5 days we had a wonderful session. Really, I learned much about deep learning and CoLab. Really excellent training we had, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for your valuable suggestions. So, professors. Somebody put the WhatsApp. Anyway, you are telling in open from your mouth means I am very happy.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Amrita. I'm a research scholar from Educational Engineering College.
Yes, ma'am.
Really, all the sessions are useful, sir. Particularly the computer vision session taken by Bala sir. It was really very interesting to learn computer vision. And from ma'am, who took about the introduction for deep learning and optimization techniques also, she thought that was also very interesting. And the other sessions related to CNN and RNN and the hands-on sessions are also neatly taken, so I was able to follow the codes also. It was really interesting session for the past 5 days, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you,
I had a
ma'am.
wonderful experience, and also
Thank
the
you.
assignment also very nice, sir. It was good to answer the questions. Nice practice of the sessions. Thank you, sir, for conducting such a wonderful FTP.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, your valuable comments.
Thank you, sir.
Any other professors?
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Actually, thank you so much as you are conducting this workshop. Actually, you are conducting this workshop in a very well manner, and it is helpful for me as far as concerned about future point of view. Really good session. Each and every speaker was very nice. You manage very well, sir. Thank you
Thank
so
you, sir.
much.
Thank you very much, sir. So, any other professor? Any other professor tell about the feedback about the sessions? So you give the feedback means I improve myself, right?
Hello, sir. Sorry, this is Amrita again.
Yes, ma'am.
So one feedback I wanted to mention is you can also give coding assignments in future if you conduct any workshops.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
That will also be today. This workshop I was expecting to get some coding assignments also, but it's okay. It was useful to follow the hands-on.
Due to time constraint only, we have reduced it, ma'am.
Okay, sir. But that
Yes.
will also be very useful for the participants. If some
Sure.
simple programming assignments also. will
Yes,
be
sir.
useful.
Yes, ma'am. Next time onwards, surely we make more hands-on program, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
Cool. Yes, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Professors, if any feedback? So all the session will be recorded, right? Actually, I will every day I will host it on the YouTube also. I hosted on your WhatsApp also, right? If any doubt, you go through that YouTube. If you want, if any feedback from your side. So you give the feedback means I will improve myself in future forthcoming FTP. That's why I'll ask again and again, right? So we are the professors, right? That's why I will ask to you. Any more? Okay, good. So once again, I thanks to all the participants to actively participating in our FTP. Right. In future also, you supported to me. If you any doubt regarding the deep learning for the computer science, kindly put the WhatsApp group or individual message also. So whatever I know, I will guide to you. Right. So thank you all the participants. Right. Once again. So now I call upon Professor Kavita ma'am to talk about the vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. It is a great honor to propose the vote of thanks to all who have helped us in making this program a very resounding success. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation to Professor Dr. R. Balasubramanian, Indian Institute of Technology in Roorkee, for enlightening us enough. And my heartfelt thanks to Professor Dr. Sapna Katia, ABES Institute of Technology, who spared time for us in spite of her busiest schedule. I also wish to express my gratitude to Professor Dr. G.M.K. Tirumurthy, MEPCO Shillong Engineering College, for sharing his valuable thoughts. We have been fortunate enough to have a Professor Joseph George, Adi Shankara Institute of Engineering and Technology, for giving an excellent demonstration about convolutional neural networks and their applications. I sincerely thank Professor R. Uma in Panimalar Engineering College for making the session interesting and insightful. I also express my gratitude to Professor Dr. Ajay Kumar Khan, Central University in Mizoram, for sharing his valuable thoughts. I thank Mr. S. Sharma, Artificial Intelligence Engineering in Agents, and also thank Professor Dr. G. Hemalata, University of Technology and Applied Science in Oman, for sharing their knowledge, ma'am. And I also wish to express my gratitude to Professor Dr. N. Senbagavalli, Alliance University, and also thanks to Professor Dr. K. Ramalakshmi, Alliance University, for making the session interesting and useful. I am very grateful to our secretary and correspondent, Dr. P. Chinnadurai, and our dynamic director, Dr. C. Sakti Kumar, Mrs. C. Vijaya Rajeshwari, and Mrs. Saranya Sri Satish Kumar, for giving us an opportunity to organize this event. I thank our beloved principal, Professor Dr. K. Mani, who have graced us with his presence and guidance. And also thanks to Professor Dr. Murugavalli, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and Professor Dr. S. Malti, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. I'm very much thankful to our coordinator, Professor Dr. V.D. Ambedkumar, for his perfect logistics support and guidance. A heartfelt thanks to all our coordinators and faculty members for showcasing remarkable dedication and excitement. Last but not the least, I thank all the participants for their active participation. Without your generous support, it would not have been possible to organize such an event. I want to once again thank everyone for making this AICT Atal 5 days faculty development program on deep learning for computer vision a successful one. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all the participants once again, right? Thank you. So tomorrow assignment mark and attendance I will host it on tomorrow in your Atal portal. Kindly verify it. If any problem, text me. I will rectify it. Right. Thank you to once again. Thanks to all the participants.